What's going on, guys? Chris back with you with another unboxing and review video. And you're looking at this, you're like, Chris, what in the world is going on? This is not an Android TV box, but the company VANKYO makes their brand new Android tablet. And this is the MatrixPad Z10 Android tablet. And just like all my unboxing and review videos, in the description box right below the video right here is gonna be the link for this exact same product. You guys in the UK, I'm pretty sure they sell it in the UK as well. I will have you linked in the description box as well, or one very similar to it if they do not sell it in the UK. Look for those links below. Let's go ahead and go on over here. Let's go ahead and unbox this thing. Let's take it for a test run. Let's use it and let's see what she can do. Hey guys, if you're new here, welcome. We have a lot of fun here. Smash that subscribe button down below and turn on your bell notifications so when fresh content comes out, you're the first to know. All right, butterfly knife is out and about in full force. Let's get this opened up. And this precise model here, the RAM is gonna be 3 gigabytes and the ROM is gonna be 32 gigabytes. So that's 32 gigabytes of storage with 3 gigabytes of memory. Okay, out and about we come here. We'll go ahead and pick it on up and get her on out of here. Let's go over the boring stuff first before we get to that. There is gonna be just obviously the box, gonna be your user manual, etc. Over here in the right side is gonna be our charging cable, etc. And that is gonna be a micro USB, and my guesstimation on that is probably gonna be a 3 to 4 footer, which yes, about 3 feet estimation there. And that's gonna do it. Let's get this bad boy out of the little package here. And we do have a piece of film. We need to go ahead and remove that bad boy there. There actually looks like there is another piece of film, probably a screen protector. So you can go ahead and peel that up or leave it be here. And right here, you're looking at a 10.1 inch IPS screen, front and rear camera, quad core 64-bit CPU, GMS certified Android OS, solid MCC ROM. Both the front and the back cameras are HD. So let's have a look-see here. And I believe that is just the film of the protective screen there. Just a couple bubbles in there. You can wipe that down with a credit card, or you can take that off if you want to. Here on the bottom, we have our power button, our plus and minus volume button there, our micro USB port, our headphone jack, our SD card reader, that is a micro SD card reader. We have a HDMI port, and that again is not a full HDMI port, that is the micro HDMI port, and a microphone input right there. Nothing on that edge or the top here. And on the back, we have our camera, HD camera right up here, a logo, and a very nice design with speakers up here and here. This is very nice material, aluminum here. It's running Bluetooth 4.0. There's a sensor inside, GPS, FM, and G sensor. Power supply is a DC 5 volt 2 amp. The battery inside is 6,000 milliamp. The back camera we see there is a 13 megapixel camera. The front camera right there is a 5 megapixel. The display is IPS 1920 by 1200, and it's running Android 9.0. So let's go ahead and play around with this and see what she can do. As it powers up, we have a nice logo there. Well, I've been using my tablet and I really do enjoy it. It has a nice long battery life on it. And what I've been mostly using it for, I've been obviously, you know, doing some social media on it, Instagram, stuff like that, downloading the favorite apps. But I like it because I can see my security system with the app available on the Google Play Store. I have a 4-camera security system here. 2 are in color, 2 are in night vision here. And it's really easy and it fires up quickly so I can monitor that. So what I do is I just place this on the couch over here. And if there's any noise or a ring of a doorbell or anything like that, or a package delivery, I can just fire it up while I'm on the couch while I'm watching TV. If you need something a little bit bigger than the Samsung S8 Plus, which I'm filming on right now. Overall, I have definitely enjoyed it. It's a good build to it. It's quick enough for my standards. Build, like I said, the back is very nice. Obviously, like any tablet, the only con, especially in this color, is going to be fingerprint marks on the black interface. but that's something that no matter what device you have will experience that. Different colors like white will limit the bezel fingerprint, but I'll just show you. Obviously, this tablet can do so much more than that, but I like to fire that up. And if I see a package on my front doorstep, then hey, I guess what? I'm in the third story up in the office. I head on downstairs, open it on up, and check that bad boy out. And again, if the storage is not up to your capable standards, what I like about Droid tablets and this tablet is they have the expandable memory card, and those TF micro SD cards are getting very cheap. I'll try to link one in the description box below as well. So you can expand your memory. I've done the same thing to my Samsung S8 Plus. And obviously with Android 9, it has so many awesome features. I'll let you dive into that. I won't break that down for all the different features in it, but it's a great tablet. It's a great price. A 10-inch tablet, good build, long battery life. And obviously you can download the YouTube app, but I got the Chrome browser locked and loaded here. Let's go ahead and take a little listen to. I can't play obviously too much of this because of copyrights, but let's go ahead and check it out here.
Perhaps the highest quality electric scooter I have ever seen. And as you guys know, I've reviewed
and the speakers are definitely sufficient for a budget tablet for sure. It's nothing over the top, crazy, like subwoofer good, but obviously you can't expect that. But they sound good enough. Obviously this won't do it justice, but again, the full specs I mentioned earlier in the video. But there is the back camera there. So there we go right there where I was just filming on. Let's go ahead and hit the front now. And here you have me right here taking a look at that. Hey, I'll tell you what, that beard is looking real good. This same tablet, again, will be linked in the description box below, so you guys can read more about it and pick one up yourself. So thank you guys so much for watching the video. Hopefully it has helped you make an informed decision. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button if it has, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because we got a lot more videos like this and other awesome tech-related things, DIY projects around the house. We'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.